Magabigin here, science teacher for today, and welcome to our grade 7 science class! Yay! Today we're going to learn about scientific method. Kailan mo ani niya mga bata? Siya si? Ha? Inyong silingan? Yun! Kinsa ganito? Si? Yes! Correct! Si Albert Einstein. Very good! Usa siya ka? Usa to? Okay, very good! Correct! Usa siya ka? Scientist. A very genius scientist. Unsa dibuhaton sa scientist? Okay, yes! A scientist is very curious about the world, how things work, and why it works. They are interested in inventing new things and making things that already been invented to make things even better. While ang scientists naghimo sa ilang discovery and experiments, they follow a series of steps to discover the answer of what, how, and why it works. Scientific method involves a series of steps that are used to answer scientific questions by making observations and doing experiments. There are 7 steps of scientific method. 1. Ask question. 2. Do background research. 3. Formulate a hypothesis. 4. Test your hypothesis. 5. Analyze the data. 6. Draw conclusion. The last step, communicate the result. Scientific method, when followed properly, can help you figure out answers to some important questions. Like a scientist, you are curious about the world. Diba when we were younger, we keep on asking our parents about the world around us. As a child, we are very observant sa atong palibot. So daghan kay tag questions like, ngano blue ang sky? Yes, we keep on asking questions like what, how, and why things happen. As you look around the world and wondered about things, then you are observing. Observation is the beginning of everything. Observation requires of using one or more of your 5 senses. What are our 5 senses? Can you name them? Yes, correct. We have hearing, seeing, smelling, touching, and tasting. The first step of scientific method is ask questions. Develop a question or problem that can be solved through experimentation. Ang question nga atong na-form is nagbase sa unsay atong naobserbahan. The second step of scientific method is do background research. Gather information about sa atong problem or question. There are ways in gathering information about our problem. Number 1, recall past experiences. Maybe na kay similar experience before na imong ma-associate sa imong pangutanan. Number 2, interview resource person. These are people that have knowledge about your topic or question. 3, go to the library. Read as much as you can about your topic to see what you can find out. Number 4, research online. The data you gathered from doing the background research is the basis for your hypothesis. Do you remember the next step? Okay, yes. The third step is formulate a hypothesis. It is an educated guess or a possible answer to our question. Generally use a statement, if blank, then this will happen. Example, if the soil temperature rise, then plant growth will increase. The fourth step of scientific method is to test the hypothesis. Develop and follow procedure to conduct an experiment. This includes the materials na imong gamiton sa imong experiment. The result of your experiment must be measurable. The fifth step of scientific method is analyze results. Pwede siyang i-modify or baguhon ang procedure if needed. Confirm the results by retesting. How many times ka mag-retest? Once? Twice? Thrice? Yes, very good. 3 times nato siya i-retest. Nganong kinahanglan man nato i-retest atong results? To ensure the accuracy of the results. These results can be put into tables, graphs, and photographs. The 6th step of scientific method is conclusion. After analyzing the results of your experiment, we are going to draw our conclusion. Include a statement that accepts or rejects our hypothesis. If your hypothesis is true, meaning the results support or agree with your hypothesis, then you are ready to do the final step. But if your conclusion do not support or agree with your hypothesis is false. But it's okay. It doesn't mean that it is a bad experiment. Maybe there's something wrong with your hypothesis. You need to rethink and revise your hypothesis and try again. Then you are ready to do the final step. Now, the final step of scientific method is communicate the results. Scientists share the results of their experiment or study. They do not keep it to themselves. Thanks to the scientific method, many important discoveries have been made about our world. But many unanswered questions remain. Would you like to help and answer them? Yes, you can! Just remember to be scientific. Paalam mga bata! Stay safe, stay at home, and always wash your hands. Bye!